At some of these images from Lower Lafitte. These were sent to us from Jefferson Parish Councilman Templet. This area was under a mandatory evacuation order, and I guess you can see why. This is as Perry's storm surge is pushing water into this part of Jefferson Parish. The cemetery, you see, the Coulon Cemetery, is under water. You really hate to see that in those areas, disturbing those graves. 5:14 right now.